Hi, hello, welcome family. Like and subscribe. Link in description. Come on, let's go the video. Comprehensive guide to using the wireless mini magnet tracker GPS. Introduction. The wireless mini magnet tracker GPS is a versatile and compact device designed to provide real-time tracking of valuable assets, vehicles, and individuals. This device uses GPS technology to determine its precise location and transmits this data via GSM networks, allowing users to monitor the location from anywhere in the world. This guide will provide an in-depth overview of the device's features, settings, and how to effectively use it. Device overview, key features, compact design. The small size of the wireless mini magnet tracker makes it easy to conceal and attach to various objects. Magnetic base. The built-in magnet allows for easy attachment to metal surfaces, such as vehicle chassis. Real-time tracking provides up-to-date location information. Geofencing. Set up virtual boundaries and receive alerts when the tracker crosses these boundaries. Movement alerts. Get notified when the tracker detects movement. Long battery life. Depending on usage, the tracker can last several days on a single charge. Historical route playback. Review the route history for a specified period. SOS button, an emergency feature that sends out an alert with the current location. Remote listening, allows for discrete listening to the surroundings of the tracker. Waterproof design, durable and suitable for various environments. Initial setup, charging. Before first use, ensure the tracker is fully charged. Connect the device to a power source using the provided USB cable. Charging typically takes around 2 to 3 hours. SIM card insertion. Insert a SIM card with an active data plan into the tracker. This enables the device to transmit location data. App installation. Download and install the compatible tracking app on your smartphone. This app is available on both iOS and Android platforms. Registration. Open the app and register your device using the unique ID provided with the tracker. Detailed settings and functions. Real-time tracking. To use real-time tracking, open the tracking app and log in with your credentials. The app's main interface will display the current location of the tracker on a map. You can zoom in and out to get a detailed view or a broader perspective of the tracker's location. Geofencing. Setting up geofences. In the app, navigate to the geofencing section. Here, you can create virtual boundaries by selecting areas on the map. Notifications. Set up notifications to be alerted whenever the tracker enters or exits the defined geofences. Movement alerts. Enabling movement alerts. Access the settings menu in the app and find the movement alerts option. Enable this feature to receive notifications when the tracker detects movement. Sensitivity adjustment. You can adjust the sensitivity of the movement detection to avoid false alarms. Historical route playback. Accessing route history. In the app, go to the historical route playback section. Select the date range you wish to review. Playback controls. Use the playback controls to review the tracker's movements over the selected period. SOS button. Configuring SOS contacts. In the app, set up emergency contacts who will receive alerts when the SOS button is pressed, using the SOS button, in case of an emergency. Press and hold the SOS button on the tracker. This will send an alert with the current location to the designated contacts. Remote listening. Activating remote listening. In the app, navigate to the remote listening section. Enable the feature to listen to the surroundings of the tracker. Microphone sensitivity. Adjust the microphone sensitivity settings to enhance audio clarity. Battery management. Battery status. The app displays the current battery level of the tracker. Ensure to keep the device charged to avoid interruptions in tracking. Low battery alerts. Enable low battery alerts in the app to receive notifications when the battery level is low. Waterproof design. The tracker's waterproof design ensures durability in various environments. This makes it suitable for outdoor activities, tracking vehicles in all weather conditions, and monitoring assets stored in less controlled environments. Advanced settings. Firmware updates. Periodically check for firmware updates in the app to ensure your tracker is running the latest software version. Data storage. Configure data storage settings to manage how long historical data is kept. This can help in optimizing the device's performance. Device reset, in case the tracker malfunctions or you need to reset the device. Use the device reset option in the settings menu. Practical applications, vehicle tracking. Attach the tracker to the underside of a vehicle using the magnetic base. This can be useful for monitoring fleet vehicles, ensuring the safety of personal vehicles, or tracking rental cars. Asset monitoring. Use the tracker to monitor valuable assets, such as equipment, machinery, or cargo. This ensures that you can always know the location of your assets and prevent theft or loss. Personal safety. The tracker can be carried by individuals, especially children or elderly family members. The SOS button and real-time tracking provide an added layer of security, allowing for quick response in emergencies. Outdoor activities. For outdoor enthusiasts, the tracker can be used during hiking, camping, or other adventures. The waterproof and durable design ensures reliability in harsh environments. Conclusion: the wireless mini magnet tracker GPS is a powerful tool for tracking and monitoring a wide range of objects and individuals. By understanding and utilizing its features and settings, users can enhance the security and management of their assets and loved ones. Whether for personal use or professional applications, this tracker offers peace of mind with its reliable and versatile functionality. Link in description. Like and subscribe. Thanks for your watching.